Hello class 5. Welcome to your English language class children. So in the previous class we were doing chapter 9 adjectives, degrees of adjectives, isn't it? So we will continue this chapter. Today we will do page number 5050. So open your book at page number 5050. This is page number 50. So we will do this page today. Are you all ready, children? Yes, take a pencil in your hand. I think you have already taken, isn't it? So, and an eraser too. So, we have completed the first page and we have come to know there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. And one rule we have learned that before positive degrees of comparison only we will use articles. Clear? Is it clear? And how we make the degrees of comparison? In degrees of comparison, the adjective change their form, isn't it? From comparative to superlative, isn't it? They changes their form. Okay, when we make comparison, with they means what? They means the adjectives. Adjectives change their form. Okay. Okay. Like tall will become taller in comparative degree and tallest in superlative degree. And here what we have done, we have added er to tall, it becomes taller, and est in the superlative form, it becomes tallest. Likewise, big, bigger, biggest, long, longer, longest, isn't it? Wise, wiser, wisest. Many adjectives you'll get, and all this thing you have to learn. And there are different rules also. It doesn't mean that everywhere you will add est or er with the comparative degree and est with the superlative degree. There are some, afterward you'll come to know some changes also. Okay, that one we'll discuss afterward. Now I'm writing 2 sentences on the board. You go through the sentences, and the sentences are also given in the book. You can read out it loudly. With me you can read out. See, number 1. Sonali is smarter than Rupali. Sonali is smarter. S-M-A-R-T-E-R. Smarter than Rupali. Okay. Which are the 2 nouns here? Sonali and Rupali. Okay. We are comparing Sonali and Rupali. And what is the adjective? What is their quality? Which quality is being compared? Smartness. Isn't it? Smart. The positive form of smarter is smart. Now, write down the second sentence. What is the second sentence? Ankit is wiser than Salman. Ankit, read out loudly. Ankit is wiser than Salman. Here we are comparing Salman. Okay, we are comparing Salman with Ankit. And the adjective is wise. The quality is wisdom. Okay. Now see, here positive form of wiser is wise, and the positive form of smarter is what? Smart. Okay, as we are comparing 2 person, we have added in comparative degree. What we do when we compare 2 things, we add er with the positive degree. Okay, and the root for word or the positive form of the smarter is smart, so we have added er. Okay, one more thing I think you have noticed, here we have added a new word, then. Then is added here. So here what we have done in these 2 sentences, we have compared Sonali with Rupali and Ankit with Salman, isn't it? Now, and you see that before the comparative degrees, we have not used any article, a, an or the. We have not used any article, as we have learned in the previous class that we will use article only before the positive degree of comparison, and we will not use any article before the comparative degree. But what we have added here is then. Very important, whenever you are forming the comparative degree, you have to add then after the adjective. Okay, after the comparative form of the adjective. If I give, I'll show you two pencil. I'm showing you two pencil. If I say this is a long pencil, okay, one more pencil is this. This pencil is longer, isn't it? Okay. Now when I'll compare, I'll say this pencil is longer than this pencil. Longer than. What I'm adding here? Than. So in comparative degree, we always use than before the comparative form of the adjective. Here the comparative form of adjective is wiser, and here it is smarter. Okay, so what do we add in comparative degree? After, we don't use any article before the comparative degree, isn't it? Before the adjective, and but we use then after the comparative form of the adjective. Clear? Two examples I have given. This is a long pencil. This pencil is longer than this pencil. Suppose this is pencil A, this is pencil B. Okay. Okay. Now, see the next example given in the book. Read out the example. Sonali is the smartest girl in the class. Sonali is the smartest girl in the class. Sonali is the smartest girl in the class. So Sonali is, here we will add the smartest girl in the class. Okay. Number 2 is Ankit is the wisest player in his team. Player in his team. Okay, now read these two sentences. In the above sentences, what we have seen? We have seen the superlative degrees of the adjective. Smartest and wisest, isn't it? est is added with the positive form, that is smart, and then est is here also. Here st is added as the word wise ends with e, so we have added only st. This is the rule. Okay, so in this above sentences of superlative degree, what we have seen is we have emphasized the quality of Sonali and Ankit in the highest form. Means in the class there are not only two students, there are more than 3 students. More than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 40, 45 children are there in a class, isn't it? So likewise here Ankit's quality is shown in the highest form. Means in a team, maybe a cricket team or a football team, there are more than 3 players, isn't it? So we are comparing, we know that in superlative form of adjective, we show the highest form of the quality, isn't it? So this is the smartest and wisest, highest form of the quality, isn't it? So we have used the article the. Very important. We have used the article the before the superlative form of the adjective smartest, and here in second sentence we have used the before the superlative form of the adjective wise. The wisest, the smartest. So always keep in mind that we use the definite article the before the superlative degrees. Okay, is it clear? We use the article, that is the is the definite article, isn't it? So we always use the definite article the before the superlative degrees, like the smartest, the wisest, the biggest, the longest, like this, the shortest. So whenever we are using superlative degree, we use the definite article the before the adjective. Is it clear? Is it clear? Two examples I have given in this class. One is that we always use than in comparative degree after the comparative degree of adjective, and in superlative degree we always use the before the superlative form of the adjective. Okay, go through this, read this properly, then you will understand better. And here you can see formation of the degrees. Now formation of the degrees here, when we form the degrees, the 3 degrees of adjective, means one is already there positive, then comparative and superlative. When we form the comparative and superlative form of the adjectives, okay, of the positive degree, then we have to follow some rule. Okay, it's not that everywhere we'll add er or est. Okay, it may vary also. Okay, so all the rules we learn in this chapter. Like number 1, formation of the degrees in comparison. Read, the following adjectives form their comparative degree by adding er and their superlative by adding est, whatever I have taught to you. Okay, like positive, comparative and superlative, 3 forms are given, 3 forms of adjective, 3 degrees of adjective. So you have to learn this, children. Okay, now under positive you see bright, then comparative brighter, brightest, clever, cleverer, cleverest, cheap, cheaper, cheapest, deep, deeper, deepest, dear, dearer, dearest, fast, faster, fastest, few, fewer, fewest, great, greater, greatest, high, higher, highest, kind, kinder, kindest, low, lower, lowest, long, longer, longest, narrow, narrower, narrowest, new, newer, newest, near, nearer, nearest, old, older, oldest. Turn the page, come to page number 51. Okay, read out all this, learn this. You have to learn this. Okay, there are no other option. So poor, poorer, poorest, rich, richer, richest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, short, shorter, shortest, then small, smaller, smallest, slow, slower, slowest, tall, taller, tallest, thick, thicker, thickest, weak, weaker, weakest, young, younger, youngest. So here we have added er to the comparative degree and est to the superlative degree. Okay, this is one rule. And the next rule is number 2. See number 2. If the superlative degree ends with e, then only r is added and st is added to form the r. Only r and st is added to form the comparative and superlative degree. Like if the wiser, wisest. If the positive degree, the adjective ends with e, because I have already told you we will add er and est, but see wise, we have already done wic, positive. Now comparative, when we will make wiser, we have added only r because it is already ending with e. Then superlative, under superlative, wisest, as it already ends with the letter e, so we have added st. This is the rule you have to follow. Okay, like many examples are given here, you can read out this nicely. Like able, abler, ablest. See able, A-B-L-E, abler, A-B-L-E-R, So we have added R. A-B-L-E-S-T, ableist. Okay, as it's able already ends with the letter E, so we have added S-T and with the for superlative degree and R with comparative degree. Clear? Likewise, we'll find many more words here like brave, braver, bravest, gentle, gentler, gentlest, grave, graver, gravest, large, larger, largest, noble, nobler, noblest, pure, purer, purest, true, truer, truest, wise, wiser, wisest, white, whiter, whitest. Okay, so for today, we'll end here. Okay, so by that time you learn all this thing, you have to memorize this all. Okay, thank you.